Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Auto Best Take for flawless group photos on Google Pixel 10a. Now, quick notice, this feature can be used after you took a group photo or even better, a series of group photos, and you cannot decide on the best photo that you took so that everyone looks great in it. Basically, all you have to do is just grab this collection or grab this series of photos, open one photo in this series. So for example, here we have three different photos that are similar to each other, and now for example we'll take this one and we'll try to adjust it using AI to make a perfect image out of it. Tap Edit and then select Actions on the toolbar below, then select Best Take option and let your photo find similar shots to improve the general photo quality. And as you can see, it simply replaced the face of one of the participants in this photo to make it look better. Now if you tap OK, we'll be able to save this photo as a copy in our album. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.